Hi everyone, I'm Suyug from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to reset Duolingo password. Resetting your password is essential if you have forgotten it or want to secure your account with a new one. So let's get started. First, open any web browser available on your device. In the search bar, type Duolingo login and press the search button. Open the Duolingo login page from the results. In the passwords field, you will see a forgot option. Tap on it. Enter the email address linked to your Duolingo account. Then tap the submit button. Duolingo will send a password reset email to your inbox. Open your email app and find the email from Duolingo. Inside the email, tap on the reset password option. Choose the browser which you prefer. In the provided field, enter a new password. Then re-enter the password for confirmation. Once you have confirmed the password, tap the submit button. And this is how you can reset Duolingo password. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.